So guys, it's time to start the beautiful candle making process. So the first thing which we need is the microcrystalline wax. Okay, so as you are seeing on the screen that it is super flexible. And guys, this is the reason why it is used to prepare carved candle or cut and carved candle. But at the same time, it is not easy to cut this wax. Okay. Why? Because it is a very gooey, sticky kind of a wax, but it is super flexible. But guys, something which is very important to keep in mind that you cannot use this wax alone. You have to use paraffin wax with this, and you have to use in the ratio of 1 is to 10. One part of microcrystalline while the 10 part is of paraffin wax. The next thing we need is the wax paper. Okay, so if you don't want to use wax paper or you don't have wax paper, please don't worry about that. You can use silicone tray also, but not any other tray, guys, because if you use any other metal or plastic, it is quite difficult for you to remove the wax layer from that metal plate. So either you can use wax paper or silicone tray. Okay. And now, guys, whatever I'm showing you here, if you are my regular viewers, then you must know that I have done this process many times earlier also. But you haven't watched any of my video yet, please go and watch, guys. I think you will definitely love it, or you will learn something from each of my video. It is not necessary that you love all my videos, but definitely you will learn something new from my videos. So once you complete making your wax tray, it's time to sprinkle some candle wax pigment onto the tray. So here I'm using this ochre yellow, red and green. Now it is up to you how many colors you want to use and in what proportion you want to use and in what combination you want to use, guys. So here I'm using these three colors. But you can use single color as well, you can use double color. It looks evenly beautiful using a single color also. So but there's no harm in creating different varieties, so just try and make beautiful floaters out of it. In between, I would like to request you all, guys, that if you like this video, please do click the thumbs up button and thumbs up button. Okay, I'm trying to learn all these things, guys, but if you really like my video, please do click the like button. Like button. And now, guys, once you finish doing all these things, it's time to pour the melted wax onto the tray which we have created using wax paper. And remember, guys, that this wax is the combination of microcrystalline and paraffin wax in the ratio of 1 is to 10. I'm telling you again and again so that you do not forget this very important step. Okay, and you have to make a thin layer out of it, not the thicker one. And after pouring it, just wait for 5 minutes, guys. Just wait for 5 minutes. Because it is a thin layer, it gets dry quickly. But if you see any uneven surface, just blow some hot air using your heat gun. And now, guys, it's time for me to stop saying anything because now there's nothing much for me to speak, as the process is super simple and you will get understand very easily whatever I'm showing you here. But if you find any problem, any confusion, anything, any question, just ask me. I'm here to answer all your questions. So guys, that's it for today, and I think that you all have loved this idea of creating such a beautiful and easy candle floater. And if yes, then please don't forget to click the like, subscribe and bell icon. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.